First of all, if you are not yet subscribed us, then make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get the notifications of our videos as soon as we upload them. So let's start the video. Now let's see that what we are going to cover in this video. In this video, we are going to cover what is visual effects, when was VFX discovered and who discovered it, the 4 types of VFX, and we are going to answer the most confusing question at the end of this video, which is what is the difference between animation and VFX. So let's start with the first topic, which is visual effects, shortly known as VFX, is a combination of CGI, computer-generated imagery, and live-action elements. This means that VFX is basically a combination of an element which is entirely made on a computer, and then it is combined with a clip shot on camera, very realistic. The next topic is VFX was discovered by Oscar Edgelander in 1857. Oscar Edgelander created the world's first special effects image by combining different sections of 32 negatives into a single image, making a montage combination print. I know it looks silly, but because of this, we are watching the best VFX movies now. The next topic is, if we talked about the basic VFX type, then there are 4 types of VFX. Chroma key. If you have seen the behind the scenes of a VFX movie, then you have might seen the green and blue screens on the set. These screens are used to change the background behind the actor and replace it with another one. Hearing this, you might wonder that why only green and blue color is used. The answer to this is because green and blue colors are the colors which are not found in the shot most of the times. This chroma keying technique is not just used to change the background, but also to remove an object or a person from the shot. This technique was also used in the Harry Potter movies to make the invisible cloak, and is also widely used to remove a person wearing a green screen suit from the shot. Rotoscoping. Sometimes there are situations where you can't use a green screen. At that time, VFX artists have to manually paint the subject out from the shot. But this technique is a bit time-taking process, and that's why VFX artists try to avoid this technique by using a green screen. Motion tracking. This technique is used when the shot is not stable and is moving. This technique is used by tracking the movement of an object or a person and applying it to a computer-generated element. This technique gives the shot more life and makes the VFX even more realistic. CGI. CGI, which is the short form of computer-generated imagery, is basically anything which is made on a computer. But in VFX language, CGI means 3D elements which are made on a computer. CGI is a major part of VFX, which is almost used in every movie containing VFX. CGI was highly used in the famous movies like Avengers Endgame, Avatar, Godzilla vs. Kong, and Jurassic World. CGI gives the VFX artist full freedom to make anything that he can imagine. Most famous softwares which are used to make CGI are Houdini, 3ds Max, Autodesk Maya, Cinema 4D, and much more. CGI technique also uses motion tracking suits, which makes the VFX artist able to apply the movement of a person wearing the suit to a computer-generated element. These motion tracking suits were also used in the Avengers Endgame to apply the movement of Mark Ruffalo to Professor Hulk. Hearing this, I hope that you understood all the basic types of VFX. Now, Let's answer the question that almost all are confused about. So, the easiest definition of this question is animation is motion graphics that are applied to pictures or sketches in order to create characters and motion. And VFX is applied to real things, human beings and scenes or frames or footages. It is the combination of real things and special effects that are implemented to the life on the reel. If we focus on the best animation movies, then the names are Zootopia, Inside Out, Onward and much more. I think the best animation movies are created by DreamWorks Production and Disney's Pixar's. Understanding this difference, you might be able to explain your friends about this. So, let's end this video. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to like and share this. And if you got any information and value from this video, then make sure to share your feedback in the comment section. Do subscribe and press the bell icon to be the first one to watch our latest videos. Thanks for watching.